Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos in chat inside of WhatsApp. Disappearing photos, or view once, is a way to send photos or videos through WhatsApp chat and allows the recipient to only view the content once. The media will not be saved to the person's photos or gallery, will not be able to be forwarded, starred, or shared, and if it hasn't been viewed within 14 days, it'll automatically expire. To do this, make sure you're updated to the latest WhatsApp version and head into your chat screen. Open an existing or start a new chat, and down at the bottom of the screen tap the camera icon. You can then take a photo right then or choose one from your camera library. You can then edit the image however you want, but before you send it, we need to enable view once. You'll see to the right of the caption box and then next to the send button a 1, which is the view once icon. Tap that to enable it. Now when you send the message, the person will only be able to view the content once and it'll disappear after that. Also, if you have read receipts enabled on your account, you'll see when the person has opened and viewed your image. And that's how you send disappearing view once chat photos inside of WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.